stopping by The Creative Life with Kendra. I have something that I need to organize, and I've been putting this off for, it's been a while, and so I'm gonna go ahead, even before I continue talking, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. It is my linen closet that I need to get taken care of. I think it's gonna be a little bit overwhelming. That's why I've been putting it off, but today it needs to get done because look at it. I mean, I have baby towels, and I don't have babies anymore. I have a 3 and a 5-year-old. I don't know, along the line somewhere I've lost towels, so I don't even have really any matching sets anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and I am going to work on this, and you guys can follow along. If you have any tips, please leave them in the comments below. Tell me how you organize. What do you do to not stay overwhelmed? And I do want to say this now, that all the baby towels and everything that I have that I'm going to get rid of, I actually do donate. I donate everything, so I'm not going to just chuck them and throw them in the trash. So let's go ahead and get started before I change my mind. So what I did, of course, I kept the big towels here, and I separated out our beach towels, and I have the hand towels here. And what I did, I put the face towels in these little bins, because usually, if you notice at the beginning of the video, I had them up here, but when it's time for a shower or a bath, I tell my sons, it's easy for them to grab their big towels, but they always need help grabbing the little ones, and they complain about the color that I pick out for them. I don't know, they're picky. And so from now on, they can just come and grab their own color, whichever one they choose. Over here I have, these are just napkins, random napkins, tablecloths, and the reason I have all these this randomness over here is because when I write my recipes and do my photos for them, I want something as a backdrop, and so this is what I use. These are the old covers. Well, I actually made this for my husband, but pillows and covers from my husband's man cave in our last house. Pillowcases, just three pieces of random fabric, sheets, fitted sheets, regular sheets, and let me see, oh, curtains. We have curtains over here. We have extra bed set right here, extra pillow set, extra random pillow, what are these called? Dark out curtains, and tablecloths for the same reason that I have all these napkins for backdrops for my recipes. And a tent, I did put the little metal thing back down there. I may move it in the garage, I'm not sure. And these are blow up mattresses with the pump. So this is what I am left with, and I am happy, happy, happy. And I want to tell you guys, I am convinced that besides taking over our beds, wanting to eat out of our plates, that babies also take over our linen closets, because look at all this stuff that I am going to give away. It's ridiculous. Well, this one I'm not going to give away because it's a baby bumper, and I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that because, you know, I know it's not safe to have baby bumpers on the bed, but all this other stuff is just going to, it's going to be donated. Hopefully somebody will want it. They're actually in pretty good condition. And so that is what we are working with. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you want to see more of my organization, when I'm going to organize, because I have a lot of organizing within the next couple weeks, please follow along. Make sure you subscribe. If you already subscribed, hit the little bell button below so you can know when I'm post something. And follow me on the creativelife.com. Creative is with a K. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.